Welcome, foodies, to the Southern Keto Kitchen, where I will be making Southern comfort food, keto dishes with a Southern twist, and decadent desserts. Stay tuned for the recipe of the week, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to be making my version of Southern red beans at the request of the Mister of the House. As you can see here, I'm just showing you the brand of red beans that we like to use. You can use any brand that you like. Next, I'm going to set my pressure cooker to the saute mode so it'll start heating up. I soak my beans in water for about 24 hours to decrease the cooking time. As you can see here, the beans have doubled in size compared to how they originally looked. I'll be using andouille sausage, which I rinse off out of the package. I cut it into quarters, and from quarters I cut it into halves. And when they're halves, I'll be adding them to the pressure cooker that's been on saute mode so they can start sauteing. I'm going to be chopping up this onion and bell pepper, which I'll be adding to the andouille sausage, along with half a bag of seasoned blend, which is just pre-chopped bell peppers and onions. Now you're just going to mix everything together and continue to saute. I sauteed everything together for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next we'll be adding seasonings. I have chopped garlic, 2 cups of water, onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, which I'm tapping on, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and beef bouillon. I'm going to be adding my seasonings. I don't measure. I just go by looks. You may think it's a lot of seasoning, but once you mix your water in and everything, it'll all come together nicely. But you can adjust according to your taste buds. The first seasoning I added was black pepper. Then I added the cayenne pepper. Now I'm adding smoked paprika. Next, I'll be adding onion powder, followed by granulated garlic. You can use granulated garlic or garlic powder. Whatever you have on hand will work just fine. Next, I'll be adding chopped garlic, just a spoonful, followed by 2 cups of water. After the water's added, I'm going to add in my beef bouillon and then mix everything together until well combined. Now I'll be adding 2 bay leaves and just stirring those around. Pressure cooker is still in saute mode, so I'm just going to bring this mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, I'm going to add in my beans, and I'm going to add in an additional 2 cups of water and stir everything together. Now I'm just going to let this mixture all come back to a boil. It's time to put the lid on our pressure cooker. Make sure it's locked in place. Make sure your valve is set to pressure. I'm going to turn it off and then turn it to high pressure and set the timer for 30 minutes. Once the timer's set, I'm going to back up so you can see it. I'm going to press start, and the little dot beside the 0 will start flashing while the pressure cooker builds pressure. Once pressure has been built, the dot that was blinking will turn solid. It takes about 5 minutes, and I'll see y'all back in 30. It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off. Make sure you hold it away from you so the steam doesn't get you. Now you have pressure cooked red beans. You can eat them just like this, or you can add rice into them, or you can serve them over rice. It's whatever your preferences are. Quick little bean test to make sure it's soft, and it came out perfectly. We did a taste test and decided to add some pink Himalayan sea salt. And there you have it, pressure cooked